the first people I think I met when I was standing to be an MP, and we've kind of remained sort of close friends ever since, even though sometimes he says I can't be political, don't talk to me, I can't be political, but he's a really great community leader, a community champion, and Ashford Place does amazing work, and my office is always referring to people to Cecile. We're on the phone, we're like, can you help, and it's just an amazing one-stop service, and I know all the councillors in the room use their services. We've got a few councillors around. We've got Councillor Liz, do you want to say hi? So you got any problems, by the way, tonight? Pointing out the people you need to speak to. You've got Liz over there, you've got Parvez over here. Parvez is actually the Deputy Mayor, currently. He's going to be the Mayor very shortly. And you've got Sam somewhere. Where's Sam? Oh, there you go. And Sam there right in the front. So these are your three people, your three contact points today. Not that I'm, negating my responsibility. But welcome to Parliament. Please feel at ease and feel at home. Mi casa is tu casa. That's Spanish, by the way. So yeah, feel at home. It's just a pleasure to be able to host this amazing film today, and I'm not going to speak for any longer because I want to see this film in all its glory. Hopefully the technology will work in Parliament. They're very slow at moving with technology in Parliament, so hopefully it all works. But really, thank you so much for all the support that you're giving to Ashford Place, and thank